The IPC 4203B standard, developed by the Flexible Circuits-Based Materials Subcommittee, D13, provides guidelines for flexible printed circuitry. It supersedes previous standards like IPC 4203A and IPC FC 232C. This standard is crucial for ensuring the quality and reliability of dielectric films used in flexible circuits. The scope of IPC 4203B encompasses classification, qualification, and quality conformance for dielectric films in flexible printed circuitry. It excludes non-flexible adhesives and liquid-applied cover coat, superseding IPC FC 232C and IPC FC 233A. The standard meets or exceeds Class 3 requirements, ensuring high-quality materials for advanced applications. The classification system distinguishes adhesive-coated dielectric films and bonding films. Non-specific designations are used on master drawings for material selection, while specific designations appear on purchase orders. This ensures precise material identification without cluttering master drawings, facilitating efficient procurement and design processes in flexible printed circuitry. Designation examples clarify material specifications. Non-specific designations like IPC 4203S are used in master drawings. Specific designations, such as IPC 4203S, C1E2M33, detail-based dielectric type, reinforcement method, and adhesive type, crucial for purchase orders. This ensures precise material selection and compliance with standards. Applicable documents encompass International Patent Classification, American Society for Testing and Materials, Underwriters Laboratory Standards, and International Organization for Standardization, ensuring comprehensive standards and testing methods. This framework supports consistent quality and performance in flexible printed circuitry materials, crucial for maintaining industry standards and reliability. The requirements section outlines essential terms, definitions, and specification sheets covering visual, dimensional, physical, chemical, electrical, and environmental criteria. These ensure dielectric films meet high quality and performance standards, crucial for flexible printed circuitry. This comprehensive approach guarantees materials adhere to stringent specifications, supporting reliable circuit design and manufacturing. Quality assurance provisions focus on inspection responsibilities and test sample preparation. Standard laboratory conditions and tolerances are established to ensure consistent quality control. Classification of inspections is crucial for maintaining high standards in flexible printed circuitry, ensuring materials meet the necessary quality and performance criteria. Preparation for delivery focuses on packaging requirements to ensure materials arrive in optimal condition. The notes section addresses ordering data, chemical exposure, and storage shelf life, crucial for maintaining material integrity. This ensures that dielectric films used in flexible printed circuitry meet quality standards upon delivery, supporting consistent manufacturing processes. The IPC 4203B standard overview concludes by emphasizing the importance of ongoing participation in future revisions. This ensures continuous improvement and adaptation to evolving industry needs, fostering innovation and maintaining high standards in flexible printed circuitry materials.